This video will take the actual live data to test CAPM. For example, we have selected 6 companies. Here we would use the stock history function to get these live process. You should have Excel 365 version. Otherwise, you will have to download the data in any other way and you can use that data. Now here, stock history. Then ticker name. Then start date, I will use here date function, today function. So 1 month prior data, I will subtract minus 365 and then today function again for the current date. And then we have a different option like 2 for monthly data. We need monthly data with no header. And then we have different properties like closing. So I am here writing 1. So you can see that we have the data because I did not use the date. If I want to use date, then the date would be also created here. Now just copy it to the next cells. Now we have the data for 13 months of these 6 companies. To get Standard & Poor company data, just click that data. Here you will see the option. Just set your frequency like monthly and you can just get the data from here. In the same way, you can get the data for risk-free rate as I have provided you the link. Now, after getting this data, first of all, we calculate return. So this is return, and as we have 6 companies, and the other one is for market. So here I will use RM. Now to get the return, we will use log function, and the first observation will be used for calculation purpose. So start with the second observation, log ending divided by beginning. So these are log return, just copy it to the next 6 cells so that we should have the returns of all the companies as well as for index. No, I think there is some problem that the same value is repeating. I'm just changing. You should take the actual data. Here, let's say it is 4, or let's say 4250. 4250. Now, after getting these returns, then we will calculate monthly risk-free rate. And it should be divided by 12. Now to get the average return, because we need in the second stage that we should have simple average return. So for average return, just calculate, use the average function. And here is the average formula and just copy it to the next cell so that we should have average of each column. Now after that, we need excess stock return. For excess stock return, just a minute. Yes. For excess stock return, that would serve as DB. So here I am writing Y1. Y1 represent basically excess stock return. And then X as market return, excess market return. So this is excess market return, while these all Y's are excess stock return of each company. So here, this is our stock return minus, we want to move it to column wise and not for row wise. So row wise would be the same as you can see here. So it should be fixed. So here place $sign before risk-free rate. This one. This is Q and 5. So just copy it to the next cell and check it. Now these are excess stock return as well, excess market return. Oh, now check it. Yes, it is okay. And check it for the second. Yes. Now, after getting these excess returns, then we calculate slope as well as intercept. To get the slope here, we will use slope function that is for beta. So for beta, here slope, where it would be repeating for every company, comma, and then it would be fixed for each company. So press F4 keys. In the same way, we can calculate intercept because it is needed for our second stage regression. Intercept, again, use the same. And then fix it for X carbon. Now, this is the beta and intercept of first company. Just copy to the next cell. You can see that beta of market is 1 and intercept is 0. Now we calculate, basically we need this U hat, and U hat is equal to Y actual minus Y hat, and where Y hat is equal to basically alpha hat plus beta hat X, and we have calculated alpha and beta hat. So we will apply this formula. So first of all, I will calculate this is basically error term. I am writing here as U hat. So how you can calculate this U hat? Because here Y actual, this is Y actual minus then alpha hat. Now in alpha hat, first I am writing here alpha hat. This is your alpha hat. I will later on change and fix that where to place $sign. Then plus beta hat. This is your beta hat, and that is multiplied by this X. Here we have the X. Now to fix it, now we will place $sign before this 18. This is $sign, and the same way we will put $sign here, and then $sign before what? X, this one. Now just copy it to the next cell so that we can confirm whether we have put this correct formula or not. Now is it okay? Yes. It's for a second. And now That's it's you can see that this error term is for a second. Now just copy it because we need 6 error terms for each company. So here these are 6 terms. Just copy it to the next cell, next 6 cells, and then copy it down. Now we calculate. Now these are basically betas, and these are basically alpha. Now variance, because we need variance of this error term, so we use variance population formula. Now these are basically variances. Variance of error term. Now to get the data, first we need returns, then betas, and after that we need error, variance of error term. This one I'm just copying here. So every returns are here, and we have the companies from 1 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it is summary basically. And then for betas, we have these betas. These betas means from first to 6 company. And then variances, here are variances. Now we can transpose it so that we should have the data of these 6 companies. Control C, and then let's say paste spatial, and then or we can use here matrix multiplication, matrix transpose function as well as transpose. Now we have the data as required. Now in my third video, I will explain that how we can run a regression model to test. We will run 2 regression model, part 1 for part 1 and for part 2. Thank you very much for watching this video.